this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? This is where I grew up. I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me in. Oh God, every memory of looking out the back door. I have a photo album spread out on my bedroom floor. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Every memory of walking out the front door. I found the photo of the friend that I was looking for. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye.
Class 12s, I wish you all the very best in your exams and in your new life. Be proud of your alma mater, keep your head high, and please keep in touch with us. All the very best.
Best of luck, students. It is very difficult to say bye to all of you because this is the batch who started so many new things in our school. You, the batch, started FEST. You, the batch, will bring the best result in our school and feel proud that you are deep side because proud in future days. Best of luck.
The third board batch of Delhi Public School Ruby Park will be appearing in 2013. For the last 2 years, class 2 section results in the board exams has been extremely good, and I wish all the students appearing this year for success.
Hello students, today is a very auspicious day for all of us. We have mixed feelings of sorrows and happiness today. Sorrows for obvious reasons that you are going to part from us, and happiness for the reason that you are going to be prepared for higher roles in the society. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. May God Almighty bestow His choicest blessings on all of you. Best of luck.
I have to say nothing much to you. You know, physics is a very complicated subject. So whatever I told you throughout the year, please try to follow that and keep cool. Don't worry, be happy.
Best of luck for all of you.
Dear students, I know that preparing for board examination at times can be time consuming and stressful, but let's face it this way, the price of victory is high, but the reward is also much greater than the expectation. So stay focused, remember the sun's rays does not burn until brought to focus. Be calm, answer the questions which you like first. Remember the first expression is always the best expression. So bury your worries with every sunset and wake up fresh every morning with new hopes. May your future be as bright as the afternoon sun. Excel in your upcoming exams.
From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best in life, the very best of success in your forthcoming exams, and to shine throughout your lives.
My dear students, there is no alternate of hard work. I hope so. Not only hope, I am sure that you will do that and you will get a huge success in your exam and as well as in your life. All the best.
It's a big world that is waiting for you once you step outside the portals of your school. I wish you success and happiness in all your honest endeavors. May you go from strength to strength.
Wishing each one of you all the very best as you get ready to step out and face your destiny. Never give up, never look back. Take confident and sure steps to achieve all that you wish for yourselves. Happiness always.
I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Follow your dream and make this world a better living place.
All the very best for your exams, of course. And don't forget the Interact Club. Earn lots and give lots to people around you. Spread happiness. God bless.
To
2 years of toil, small pleasures, many scoldings, but at last culmination into the board exam. At the end of the year, from all our teachers to all of you, a very best of luck.
I wish you all great success, good luck and best wishes for the board exams.
Same applies here. Okay, all the best to you and study hard, keep your head cool, answer all the questions, attempt all the questions and do well. In life, all the best.
My heartiest wishes for all of you for the future. Excel in life, always smile, give your best of it.
Give your best for the board exams, write all the questions of whatever you know and all the best.
Here's hoping you carry with you the values and ideals that you have learnt in your school years and be inspired to make changes in the world around you.
Be responsible citizens, know your rights and duties because that is how we have trained you. Best of luck for your future.
We prepared you as the shooting star, so wherever you are, just be glowing and shining and be honest to yourself. Best of luck.
But the real test in time is when you people will come and say, ma'am, ever since then we have learnt a lot, but it was you who made a difference. Children, wish you all the luck, ensure that India is your priority.
We've had our moments of fun.
We met to make memories.
And now, we part to preserve them.
Do stay in touch, because we are Hillsides Forever!
अलविदा यारा अलविदा हो रहे तुमसे हम जुदा ले चले सारे हम तेरे खुश रहे यारा तू सदा तुमसे भी ज्यादा होंगी अब यादें प्यारियां हम दोनों की हैं अपनी लाचारियां अब हंसते हंसते तुम पे ले खुशियां वारियां मर्ज भी हैं देती चैन भी हैं देती दर्द भी हैं देती जान भी हैं लेते यारियां